guys, just wanted to give you a quick rundown of my new Holdfast Subverter 26-inch frame. I got it in the smoke colorway. It's really nice. It's like a dark gray over raw. Looks really cool. Up front, I'm running the machete bars, Colt Salvation stem, resist headset, unknown fork, Primo hub, Totostry rim with 2 plastic demolition pegs. I got profile 165 cranks with a tree 28 tooth sprocket. I'm running my signature Holdfast straps, which you can get at holdfast.com. I'm running animal pedals, Totostry rear rim with resist 9 tooth hub, 2 plastic demolition pegs in the back. Got a resist Nomad tire in the rear and a funny DMR tire up front. It's 2.4. Really stoked on the bike. Feels really good. It's nice.
Ay, tu primo colorado con barba camburada y llena de ballena inclinándose al sol. De rayo de luz roja besando nuestra boca. El beso que te sopla huele a alcohol. Tus 3 ojos lunares extraterrestriales entran cuando sales, por eso no se ve nada. Tu barba colorada, traviesa y rebelde, me afectó con espada, pero devuelve con si la noche te persigue, entrégate a ella o dile que tienes dolor de cabeza, sobrita.